So we showed you how we put in the irrigation for the kurapia. We come back and we've gone over the irrigation tube with a mix of both compost and soil, augmented what was here, and then we've just got kurapia plugs and put them in the ground. Those are just over the next 3 to 4 months going to spread out. In 4 to 6 months, we're going to have an entire lawn of kurapia. So we've got it, these two sections in front, we've got it in the Hollywood strip, and we've got little pieces in the parking strip. And we're going to put another tree here that matches this one, and that's sort of our look for that. Then we're getting our irrigation in place for the native garden. These are all drought tolerant and or native plants. You can see we just, again, put out a grid. The beauty of doing a grid is that if the ceanothus here doesn't really fill in, when we want to come in and put in another plant, we can very easily supplant that. This is the irrigation tubing we took out, and these people actually did a pretty good job. You run some of this tubing and then you can run what's called spaghetti tubing or 1/4 inch to your plant. If you put your emitter into your 1/2 inch hose, then when this hose falls off, you're not going to get a big spray of water, which happens when you put a coupling in here and try to put your spaghetti tubing into the couplet. If this were to fall off, the only thing that would happen is this would just be emitting that little bit of water that emitters do. It's just not getting to the right spot. So it's not quite as hard on your water bill. But anyway, we've moved away from the 1/4 inch tubing altogether, and we just prefer using an emitter tubing. Nothing can fall off, nothing can, if you do hit it with a shovel, yeah, you are gonna get a break, but the same thing would happen with this. But so we really have no issues regarding leaks and that sort of thing.